Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for beginners in English Easy Guide. Start by installing Python and choosing a beginner-friendly editor like VS Code. Next, learn basic syntax, variables, and control flow by following short examples. Practice with small projects like a calculator and a to-do list. Aim for daily practice of 30 minutes and track progress using simple milestones and celebrate wins. Understanding fundamentals makes learning Python easier and faster. Start with variables, data types, lists, dictionaries, and functions using clear examples. Learn control structures like if, for, while, and practice error handling and exceptions. Explore modules and simple file input-output. Keep projects small and focused, and write comments to explain code. Join a community to ask questions and share progress for steady improvement. Set measurable goals and review code weekly. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so more content comes your way. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. These socks are great for long coding sessions and make a funny yet practical gift for programmers. Now let's get back to the video. Use a mix of tutorials, books, and interactive courses to build skills quickly. Follow step-by-step video lessons and read concise documentation passages. Practice with coding challenges and contribute to tiny open-source projects for real experience. Build a personal portfolio with 3 to 5 small projects that showcase fundamentals. Review and refactor code regularly, and write tests when possible to ensure reliability and learning reinforcement, and celebrate progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.